How to log in into your Credit Karma account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Credit Karma account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Credit Karma. On your web browser, any web browser you use is completely fine. After you do that, you can see a login option right here, or you can simply head over to its website first, that is creditkarma.com. And on the top right, you'll find the login option, or you can simply find it right here as well. Tap on login, and after you tap on login, all you then have to do is type in your email, your password, and after you type in your password, you can tap on this login option, and you'll get logged in into your account. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on this try another way option to go through the another login process. And that's basically how you log in into your Credit Karma account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.